All right, guys, I'm going to review graphing in vertex form now, quadratic equation. So our vertex form is a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. So our vertex is hk. H is the x-coordinate of the vertex. K is the y-coordinate of the vertex. And our steps are the same as graphing in a standard. We're going to find the vertex, make a table of values. We're going to plot the points and the curve. Have to make sure you remember to take the opposite sign of h. Okay, so we're going to graph y equals negative 2 x plus 1 squared plus 6. So we're going to graph this. This is in vertex form because you have the parentheses to the second power. All right, h. Remember on h we take the opposite. H is always with x, so instead of a plus 1, it's going to be negative 1. And k is going to be what's ever added or subtracted. So that is a 6. K stays the same sign. So your vertex is negative 1, 6. And we're going to build a table around it. Remember, the vertex is in the middle. All right, so we're going to pick two numbers smaller and two numbers larger. So I'm going to pick negative 2, negative 3, 0, and 1. And then I'm going to plug each of these in. So into my equation, again, like I said, you don't need a graphing calculator. You can do this off your phone or off a scientific or even without a calculator. So we're going to plug in negative 3. So negative 2, negative 3 plus 1 squared. All right, we're going to simplify inside the parentheses first. So negative 2 times negative 2 squared. Then remember, we have to square the parentheses. So this is going to be negative 2 times 4 plus 6. So negative 8 plus 6 is going to give me negative 2. Remember to follow your order of operations when you're simplifying, okay, because you're dealing with exponents here. All right, then we're going to plug in negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 plus 1 squared plus 6. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 squared. So negative 2 times positive 1 plus 6. So negative 2 plus 6 is going to give me 4. So 4 is the y-coordinate. And we're going to plug in 0. Negative 2 times 0 plus 1 squared. 0 plus 1 squared is 1. So negative 2 times 1 squared plus 6. 1 squared is 1. So negative 2 times 1 plus 6 is negative 2 plus 6, which again is 4. And then the last one, we're going to plug in 1. So y is going to be negative 2 times 1 plus 1 squared plus 6. Negative 2 times 2 squared plus 6. Negative 2 times 4 plus 6. Negative 8 plus 6. So it is negative 2. So you're going to plug each one of those in. Make sure you simplify inside the parentheses first. Then you square it. And then you multiply whatever number's in front. And then you add. Right? So now we have our points. So we're just going to come over here and draw our graph. So negative 3, negative 2, negative 2, 4, negative 1, 6, 0, 4, and 1, negative 2. So again, it's going to be a parabola, U-shaped, because it's a quadratic equation. All right, so then you have your parabola. Because this is negative, it should be opening upside down.